Hello everyone, this is Mr. Canastra and I just wanted to go over my classroom website with you. So as you can see here, um, this is Mr. Canastra's classroom website, that is me. So I just wanted to say welcome. This will be my classroom webpage for any future classes. Please take a look at all of the features. I also have an email me here contact button. And I also wanted you to see up here the link to this is mrcanastrasclass.weebly.com, which I will send out in a reminder form as well. And here's a picture of me so you guys all get to know me. I also created here welcome to Mr. Canastra's website audio boom, so that way I can talk to you and show you, where things are at, what types of things we're working on, where the links are. So I just wanted to give you a quick little rundown on that, which we're going to go over right now. I also have a couple of quotes, or I have a quote over here. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. So I want to enforce the fact that we are a team, and as a group we can do so much together, and we work together as a group, we can determine the goals that we want to. So in Mr. Canastra's class, we will make an effort to build as one unit and be consistent throughout each and every day. Down here, I have a couple of tabs that you can click to go to the certain pages, which are above as well. The links that I have are home, about me, classroom rules, homework assignments, technology in our classroom, contact information, parents, guardians, resources, classroom resources, breakfast / lunch menu, and special events. Down here, like I said, I have some tabs. So the special education resources. So if you click this link here, it'll take you to that link at the top. Technology in the classroom as well. This will take you to the technology in the classroom link tab. And then the family involvement. Family, as I said, family is crucial to our class. Below are some resources for families to help for our students. And then technology will be utilized consistently in our classroom. Below are some resources to use at home. About me, I said, hello everyone, my name is Mr. Canastra and I am so excited to be your special education teacher. I currently have a master's in special education, health education, bachelor's degree in physical education as well. Special education has played a major role in my life from a young age. I have family members with disabilities and have worked in the field since leaving high school. I look forward to assisting you in reaching all of your goals and having an all-around great year. And as I said before, if we work together as a team, it will be great. Over here is just a few pictures. Some of my favorite teams: the Giants, the Mets. Some of my there's my house. Some of my family. Some of my hobbies. I play sports, and I have a couple of children. So I just wanted to share that with you. Down here, I created a couple of videos. So this is why is special education for me. So I just want you to listen to that and really understand why I am so passionate about this. It really provides me with great intrinsic value to help your students achieve their goals. And then another video that says, who am I? So this I'm going to talk about a little bit more in the next slide, but I wanted you guys to, or in a couple slides, I wanted you to understand who I am and why I am going into this route, this field. Next, we have our classroom rules, which we came up with as a class. So some of those rules here say raise your hand, listen, be a friend, and help clean up. Those are just a few rules. Here we have a recording, basically talks about some of those rules, which goes over like Mr. Canastra's classroom rules, like I said, that we came up with, and I put them together on this slide. And then here is a lesson that we went over, a mini lesson that we went over on the whiteboard, which talks about good choices and bad choices. And so these are things that we went over in class. For you parents and adults, these are things that you can work on at home as well. I will be sending home some homework about this later on. But I like I said, I wanted to just provide you with a quick little lesson that we went over, and it's a good way for you guys at home that can remind them of what we're working on. Next, we have the homework assignments. Oh, we're loading. So next we have the homework assignments. So this talks about, did you forget your homework? Here's the updated class from the week. Week 1 classwork. So as I said before, so this is, I talked about who I am. So for homework for day 1, in this project, we are looking for you to tell us about yourself. Who are you? What do you like to do for fun? What do you want to do in your future? Just tell us a little bit about yourself. So this is the homework assignment for day 1. Day 2, we worked on spelling, reading, and read a passage. And so any of that work that you didn't complete, we ask you to finish for homework. Day 3, we completed a math worksheet, a reading passage, and spelling homework. We have a spelling test tomorrow on day 5. So for day 4 homework, we want you to study those words and complete your math worksheet. And then for day 5, makeup day. So any work not completed in class, or if you missed a day throughout the week, please catch up. And then for extra credit, we want you to read a book and draw a picture of the character. Also down here, parents and guardians, we have the attached state Common Core standards. So if you ever have a question about something we're working on and how it relates, this can help you as well. Technology in our classroom. Technology is extremely important in our classroom. We will utilize many different sources of technology within our daily lessons. I attached here a website. If you guys have a chance, take a look about the benefits of technology in the classroom. Here, I also included a video, audio of how audio technology is used in the classrooms and how it can benefit our students. Here is the Symbaloo. Now, on the Symbaloo, it's a resource for our students as well as parents, guardians to utilize when discussing cyber safety with our students. This one in particular is in regards to cyber safety. I also have other ones in our classroom that we will be utilizing when there's downtime or if students need something to do. So we will incorporate those into the classroom as well. But this is a great resource for the students to really work on things at home and with their parents, and they can go over, like, for example, some of these here. So these are different websites that the kids can click on and go over with you at home on ways to stop cyberbullying. How is cyberbullying in schools? What is cyberbullying? Here's a quiz they can do if you want to work on a quiz with them. These are just ways to work on, like I said, stopping cyberbullying and cyber safety in general at home. Contact information. So I provided you here a picture of me and my email here, knask@sage.edu. This is the best way to get in contact with me. I constantly check my emails on my breaks well into the evening. If you'd like to set up a meeting or phone conference, please feel free to email me so we can set up a time that works for both of our schedules. Also in the mornings, I know all the students have notebooks, or if they don't, we will send one home. So that I can check your notebook every morning to see if there's anything, any dismissal changes, maybe mom or dad's picking up, or grandparent or guardian. That's something that I would need a note for every day, signed with the date and time, or the date, I'm sorry. Here's my school phone number. You can contact the main office, and they can contact me while they'll contact me and let me know if there's any concerns, and I will get to them as soon as I can. Also, if there's an emergency, let the main office know as well, and they will know how to find me. And if there's something changing, then we will work on it from there. And then below here is it's another way for you to contact me. I like to make sure that you guys have numerous opportunities for that. So you put your name, your last name, your email, and then if you have a comment, question, concern, you can write that there, and it will be sent directly to my email. Next, we have the Parent Guardian Resources. So this is welcome to our classroom, parents and guardians. Please see the assignments below and feel free to check out the rest of our classroom website. It's a pleasure to work with your students each and every day. So this is a monthly topic. So we have monthly topics that we go over and we work on throughout the month, different tasks, and it may not be every day, but it's, as much as we can to ensure that the students are getting this. So the first topic was cyber danger. So as we said before, cyber safety, cyber danger, the Symbaloo that we had talked about a little bit before. This is just another way to bring in that topic. So it explains the dangers of both people, internet safety, spam, or cyber hackers. Safety of the internet is just like safety at home. It is extremely important to educate the students as to why it is imperative that they do not provide personal information online, especially to those who they do not know. When communicating online with others, you may not know a person's true intentions, and therefore you should avoid communicating with them. What else should we do if this happens? Who should we tell? Another main concern when talking about the cyber world is to know which sites are safe and which sites are unsafe. Parents and guardians play a vital role in this as well, as educators, in that they are the first responders for their children online. If we can provide the proper safety information, then we can decrease the amount of issues that come with cyber safety. Below, I have provided a list of websites via Pearltrees as well. So here's a video that I made that goes along with this. And being safe on the internet. Here's those websites that I was talking about via Pearltrees. So here's just a couple. If you have a time at home, we're going to actually have assignments on these as well and work on them in class. But I wanted to provide you with the topics or with a few websites of topics that we're working on, and that we also ask that you can work on at home, as there will be assignments to do with this. As well, here I said, please provide me feedback in regards to any topics or ideas that you may see while you're at home with your students. If there's anything you see that, maybe you want discussed or worked on while in school, let me know. Provide any feedback with me through the form below, which is another one of the forms like before, throughout the school year. Below is the link where you can provide me with that information and a link to my contact as well. So like I said here, please provide me any feedback you may have or any questions or concerns as well. Anytime you guys ever have anything that you want to work on, discuss, please feel free to contact me. I'm always open. As soon as I can get to you, I will definitely get back to you. Another one is class resources. So I have a few resources that we use here. Also a video of how to use Edmodo, as that's one of the resources we use. It's a educational technology company offering a communication, collaboration, and coaching platform to K through 12 schools and teachers. The Edmodo network enables teachers to share content, distribute quizzes, assignments, and manage communication with students, colleagues, and parents. Also, I have Cool Math for Kids, basically working on math, applying quizzes, lessons. We will be utilizing this all the time. Edmentum, same thing, working on the ELA and math activities. Typing club. So at this stage, we're starting to just work on typing and entering all the information into computers. So this will be definitely working on. ReadWorks is a computer-based resource for strengthening students' reading and writing. Obviously, we'll be using that. And StoryWorks is huge. We use these all the time. So I talked about before, we're having sent home some work to read. These are what we're sending home. We're working on StoryWorks in class and also at home so that the students can gather the knowledge and information and work on it both, like I said, in home and at school. I also provided the breakfast and lunch school menu. So here you can see for the month. And then I also provided a video that talks about healthy eating and what types of food we should be eating. Special events. So on this page, we talk about the upcoming events, as you see here, the spring break, parent-teacher conferences, the musical concerts, the grandparent breakfast, Scholastic Book Fair, and the Marathon Dance fundraisers. So I just wanted to provide you guys with the upcoming events, and if there's ever any questions or anything that you would like to participate in, please feel free to contact me. Also, here's the promo video for the Marathon Dance, as this is something that the school is very big on. There will be a lot of numerous fundraisers and dances and events throughout the school year. So please feel free to reach out to me if you have, like I said, any questions, concerns, and I appreciate you taking the time to to look at my website, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.